Welcome to my return video. Today I'm doing 100k packs. Now there's only 2, so this video might be a little bit short, but nevertheless I am uploading again. So prepare for more FIFA 14 videos and 15 in the future in about 2 weeks or so. But yeah, let's get on to this pack opening. Alright, first pack. What are we gonna get? I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. I don't know if it's done. I don't actually know when it's done. I'm just gonna assume it's done now. What do we get? I don't need to explain myself any further about that pack. Okay, the next and last pack, unfortunately, of this video, I'm gonna be doing walkway pack. I'm gonna open the pack, walk away with that dog there, and I'm gonna be back. So yeah. Come on, doggy. Come on. Yeah. Oh.
Destruction. What the fuck was that?
I am back with a plate. I don't know what that actually is. Who did we get? Another Welbeck. Okay. Sanchez? That's alright. Sanchez is alright. Soldado. Oh, for fuck's sake. Alright. So, unfortunately, we didn't actually get anyone good in those 200k packs. Why am I looking but what can you do?